So, today, April 20, is Vaccine Day. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. And in today's episode, I'll bring you along with me. Dadaling ko po kayo. I'll be having my vaccine today. I have no idea if it's SINOVAC or AstraZeneca, but I just feel, me and my wife feel, we've done our research, we've done lahat ng pwede namin gawin para pag-aralan siya to make an informed decision, and we both feel strongly that we should take the vaccine. And I want to take you along with me in this journey. So 1 o'clock po yun. So nag-aayos lang kami ngayon. We'll head on over to the area and I'll show you what the overall experience is like here in San Juan City in the Philippines. By the way, sa mga nagtatanong, we were able to get listed for the vaccine primarily because we both have comorbidities. So anyway, with that said, I'll bring you guys along with me. Tara, magpa-jab na tayo. Woo! So guys, we just finished our vaccination. Yan si Missy. So, di ba? So babe, ano yung experience for you?
Very organized yung San Juan.
Shout out to San Juan, Mayor Zamora, and lahat ng staff na nandito, no? Everybody.
Si
Shirley, shout out to Shirley. Tsaka kay Doc. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ni Doc. May nakapansin sa akin, may lumapit na Doc eh.
Basta yung hawig niya.
Oh, Doc! Yung medyo hawig kami. So, alam niyo na yun. Di ba? Okay, babe, ano yung experience for you?
Yun nga, a little over an hour. Medyo marami din lang tao. Pero very organized. Tas malamig naman din yung area. And very clear sila, no? Each step kung ano yung gagawin. Pati yung may bilin may bilin na dapat after ng vaccine, meron kang QR code na i-fill up every day for a year. And yung actual vaccination, kinabahan lang ako. Pero
ang taas ng heart rate niya, umabot ng 100. There was one time, magkatabi kami. Tapos sabi niya, ang heart rate niya 130. Tapos ang heart rate ko, 78.
Tawa ng tao sila ate. Doc Shirley.
Si Doc Shirley. Gusto ko na daw bigyan ng second dose kagad.
Ay, ma'am, meron pa po sa kabila. But all that aside, it was a very straightforward experience naman. And then yung 15 minutes after, to check yung may oximeter na ilalagay sa finger, BP, and then after 15 minutes uulitin. And if you're okay, you're good to go. Ayan.
Ako, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, I know the government gets a lot of flack. Diba? Maraming nagrereklamo, maraming nasa stress. Pero ako, I just want to appreciate all the workers on the ground. Diba? Ako, I super appreciate the staff, the barangay staff, the city hall staff. I mean, lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho sa San Juan, talagang araw-araw nandyan, nagva-vaccine. Diba? Talagang frontliner, kung sa frontliner talaga. And they work long hours. Diba? And it's not the most comfortable, diba? It's okay, but it's not the most comfortable space to be in, right?
And yung napansin ko talaga, they don't make you feel like you're just one of the...
Oo, kinakausap ka eh.
It's a very personal approach. And I appreciated that. Very sila.
Yeah.
And to think ang dami nang dumaan in front of us.
Agree. It was very organized, very clear. Step 1 was, diba yun, screening. Number 2 was registration. The blood pressure yung una.
Blood pressure,
vital signs, registration, screening, vaccination, post-vaccination. 5 steps lang. Yung matagal actually is dulo yung waiting.
Yung 15 minutes.
Yung 15 minutes after. Pero overall ako, sobra akong impressed. And I would strongly encourage everybody to get vaccinated as well. Diba? Alam ko alam mo yun, some people don't like it, but if you're on the fence and this video reaches you, sana magbago yung isip niyo para ma-push kayo towards dun sa magpa-vaccine na. Alam ko yung mga iba kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, hindi na magbabago yung utak eh. Yung mga ganon, alam mo yun, it's your choice, it's your body, we'll pray for you, just be safe. Pero to those who are on the fence, ako ang masasabi ko lang, it was organized, it was okay. And it was such an emotional thing as well. From the text na nakuha namin magpapa-vaccinate na kami to naturok na until pagkatapos. Kasi it gives you that sense of hope.
Yeah.
Diba? Which kailangan talaga ng Pilipinas. So anyway, yun lang.
And ako, I wanna emphasize that, we both felt nervous, we had fear, we did our research really. Pero kahit naman anong research, hindi ma-prepare na pag nakuha mo na yung text. Eto na. Diba? And, andyan na siya sa harap ko. Ang haba ng needle. Ganyan. Pero, But yun nga, we wanna be protected, and for us, it was important to make an informed decision. So, just do whatever you need to do. Study the legitimate sites, DOH, diba? Ang dami, or your local government. Thank you talaga, Mayor. Ang dami niyang information. And even when you go there, actually, kukwentuhan ka rin nila na ito po yung vaccine, ito yung ganyan-ganyan. So, it went through a lot to get to where we are. So, sana, yun nga, give it a chance.
Oo. So, sa lahat ng mga taga San Juan City Hall,
yes,
sa lahat ng mga taga Barangay Green Hills, maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless all of you, and you're doing God's work. So, God bless every single one of you. So, at this point in the vlog, dahil nagpaturok na kami, magse-celebrate kami ng pag-Jollibee. Diba kasi?
Gusto namin kumain.
Jollibee. Diba? Yan ang yan ang food vlog. Food vlog tayo. So, magjo-Jollibee kami. Mukbang tayo, guys.
Comfort food.
Comfort food. Natusok na. So, time for na SINOVAC na tayo.
SINOVAC.
Navac. Diba? So, ngayon, kain na. O yan, nasa bahay na kami. By the way, for the second shot, ano yung process? So, we'll have to go back a month later, no? Tapos apparently, we'll get a text the day before. Tapos yun, balik kami doon for the second shot. Woo! So, kakarating lang namin sa bahay. Meron tayong ayuda. 2 case ng Kopi Ko Cappuccino. Maraming salamat, Kopi Ko Philippines, for the love. We appreciate it. Dusty! Ujujuju! Ujujuju! Say hi to the vlog! Ujujuju! Okay guys, to wrap up the vlog, it will be another segment of Carlo Cooks. So we'll be cooking dinner. Sama kayo sa akin. We're actually going to do chicken wings today. So yung chicken wings natin, na-marinate ko na last night. So it's actually here. So alisin natin siya sa styro. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be using this oven/air fryer over here to cook it. So ano yung seasoning na ginamit natin for the chicken wings? We actually use this one, Weber Steak and Chop. Sobrang panalo to, sobrang sarap. It gives it a barbecue-ish, parang semi-spicy pero hindi naman masyado taste to it. I really like this. We actually have 2, paubos na siya. And of course, we have salt and pepper and a bit of garlic powder. So yun yung sinetap natin dyan. So yun, we just put it in this, I don't know, like rotating plate that comes with the Samsung air fryer/oven that I have. Tapos literally guys, papasok lang natin yan dyan. We'll set it siguro to maybe around 18 minutes. And then pagkatapos nun, sobrang sarap ng luto niyan. Crispy, malasa. Again, one of our favorite recipes, chicken wings. Dinner is served. Chicken wings. Panalo!